Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Fab Fit Fun unboxing and it's in the biggest box I think I've ever seen them come in. So let's open it and see what's inside. So I am a VIP member, which means I got to choose some of my items. So here is the magazine they always give you. And it shows all the options that you could have gotten and the prices, which is really cool. Then you can figure out how much your box is worth. Then they have tips and tricks and sometimes recipes and all sorts of fun stuff. So I'm gonna set that aside for now. I do price out my box below in the description box in case you're interested in that. Add a little sparkle to your shine. $15 off your first box. HBO Max, HelloFresh, and some vitamins. So just a couple advertisements. So the first thing I have is Rhythm of Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. I feel like maybe this is something I picked. I'm not quite sure. I really don't remember what I picked. I always forget. But this is definitely something I will use. I love my hair products, so that's awesome. Also have a wine voucher from Bright Sellers. And let's see what this is. Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. So that's what that looks like. Totally just stuck my thumb in it trying to open it. But it's a very pretty shade. I also have a Lash Mascara. ILIA. I don't think I've ever heard of that before, but I could always use mascara. Pretty interesting brush. And also, is this a scrunchie? Let's see. Yeah, scrunchies. That's hilarious. I actually do need these. Oh, they're nice. There's 3 different ones. They're real like thin and soft. Those are cute. They're not real bulky. I like those. Then we have a light. I think this is one that I customize. So it's an LED makeup mirror, high definition, long lasting, and it's in white. Super excited for that. And then let's see what this other big object is. Champagne flutes. There's 4 of them in there, it says. I'll go ahead and open that so you can take a look. Those are really cute. And I do have a bar in the new house, so I'm totally going to use those. Very cool. Okay, only a couple items left. We have from Wish a lip scrub. It says it gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. I've tried a lot of their products before, and I pretty much like them all. Also have a sample of a Kind bar, dark chocolate sea salt. That sounds really good. And then, these are nice. 4-pack of cutting boards. And they have on there, like one's for seafood, one's for veggies, one's for poultry. I like that. And these are really big. I have some that are kind of similar, but they're like half the size of this. So that's really cool. I'll definitely use those. And I think that was it. Cool, so if you guys would like to join, I do have a promo code below that will save you $15, I think, off your first box. So check them out, I love them. I also have a playlist if you want to see past boxes, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.